This four-door sedan still has less than 10,000 miles. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Chevrolet's rigorous certification process. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.